to talk to you about a common problem that occurs when working with extremely small diameter tubing, particularly stainless steel hypodermic tubing. The problem is connecting hypodermic tubing into any standard liquid or gas circuit. Our hypodermic tubing adapter ferrule system addresses this problem by allowing users to make these kinds of connections using standard compression fittings. The system is made up of three components. In this image, you can see the compression fitting, the hypodermic tubing, and the polyimide graphite ferrule. The first component is a standard stainless steel instrumentation quality compression fitting. These fittings could be Swage Lock, Bilock, or Parker brands, and you may already have them in your labs and shops. The second component is our custom polyimide graphite ferrule, designed to work with these instrumentation fittings. The third component is the hypodermic tubing you need to connect to your circuit. Now let's look at assembling the system. Today I'm working with 15 gauge hypodermic tubing, which requires a 1/8 inch ferrule. If I were working with smaller size tubing, I would need to use a 1/16 inch ferrule, but I'll show you how to determine ferrule size more in detail later. First, slip the compression nut onto the hypodermic tubing. Then, insert the hypodermic tube into the ferrule. The tubing should protrude past the tapered end of the ferrule by about 1/8 of an inch or more. Then, hand tighten the compression nut to the fitting. Using the correct open end wrench, fully tighten the nut. And your connection is complete. Now that you've seen how to assemble this system, I'd like to show you how to select the correct ferrule size for your application on our website. Let's continue with our example where a 15 gauge hypodermic tube needs to be incorporated into a circuit. On this product page, locate the tubing gauge size column on the chart. In this case, it is a 15 gauge. Now we need to make sure the ferrule size for this gauge will work with our compression fitting. The ferrule size for this hypodermic tubing is 1/8 of an inch, so we need to use a 1/8 inch compression fitting. The part number we would use for this example is FP-215. If I was working with a different gauge size, I would need to incorporate the appropriate ferrule size and accompanying compression fitting. For example, to incorporate 20 gauge hypodermic tubing, I would need to use a 1/16 inch compression fitting. Therefore, the part number of the ferrule I would need would be FP-120. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you found it informative and that it has simplified the challenges of using hypodermic tubing in your application. Links to this product and related products are below. For more information, articles, and videos, make sure you visit our website and connect with us on Facebook and Twitter.